Guys, you may have seen humongous Chinese electronics market or you may have seen Japanese electronics market. But let's see our Indian Desi electronics market today.
Won't you sing out your frustration?
Like every other big cities, we do have big shopping malls and many brand stores are there. But I don't think there is anything exciting about until you see the street market. Guys, I am at Chandni Chowk street right now. This is one of the oldest and busiest electronics market in India. As soon as we enter the market, you will see that there are a lot of small shops on the street. Here the price of each item is fixed, usually 20 rupees. People are gathered to buy such items. Wherever you look, you will find at least 2 or 3 mobile repairing shops in everywhere. They can repair any types of mobile phones, from latest generation mobile to the old generation mobile. At a first glance, you may think that they can ruin your phone, but guys, they are doing this job since many years. So guys, you can trust them. In this type of street market, you can see there are a lot of old electronics goods. You can see there is old camera, old mic and old tape recorder and everything is there. Guys, if you want, you can buy anything old from this type of street market. Guys, look here. This is called perfect parking. Real heavy driver. Shops like this are selling non-functional electronic stuffs. Many mechanics buy these items to repair and sometimes they also extract some functional electronics components from this type of circuit boards. This is the main street market. Here you can find almost anything you need. If you can't bargain properly, you will get cheated here. And if you can bargain well, you can get all these items at extremely cheap rate. And guys, this market is so big, I even can't complete it in a single day. There are many wholesale shops, they sell items at a huge quantity.
और उससे ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी पड़ेगा, जैसे 1000 पीस का डब्बा, 500 पीस का डब्बा, तो उसमें आपको कम मिलेगा दाम।
यहाँ पे हर तरह का आपको चीज़ मिलेगा। मोबाइल का सीरीज पूरा मिलेगा, मोबाइल का गिलास मिलेगा, बैक कवर मिलेगा, टेम्पर ग्लास मिलेगा। आप जो खोजिएगा यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। चांदनी मार्केट में आपको हर तरह का चीज़ मिलेगा।
Guys, here most of the people speaks in Hindi and you know guys, when it comes to speaking in Hindi, I'm still at a basic level. So that's why I'm learning Hindi using app Duolingo. And guys, this is a very simple app. Here I'm learning Hindi from English. You can learn English from Hindi and also there are 40 plus languages like French, German, Italian or so on. And guys, the app is very simple. It's as easy as playing a game, but just don't forget to turn on the reminder. It will remind you daily for a 10-minute practice session. And the practice session will be like this. One thing I really like about the app is you can choose how serious are you about to learn the language. And you can choose your learning level as well. And guys, the good thing is all these are completely free. So download Duolingo now and start learning from today. Guys, this type of shops are my favorite shop, where you can get a Raspberry Pi, different type of motors, Arduino different modules, and even you can get many DIY kits for school students. Generally, most of the time in electronics, we use this type of heatsink, but here you can literally find all type of heatsinks up there. I never seen this big heatsink in my life, guys. There are also so much variety of wares. I don't think anyone need more than this. Here in the street, used and functional stuffs are sold like SMPS, monitor, computer, CCTV camera, etc. You can also find big smart TVs in the street. And guys, if you have a good luck, then the item can last for a long life. And guys, if you have a bad luck, then the item may stop as soon as you leave the shop. So guys, hashtag try your luck. street food in Chandni Chowk is very tasty and you can get many varieties. Guys, I'm extremely hungry, so it's time to eat. Guys, this food is very delicious. This street is very famous for camera lovers. Here you can find brand new cameras, lenses, accessories with company's warranty. You can also find there are many shops, those who are selling pre-owned items, and they also have a lot of varieties with cameras and lenses. This street is called Temple Street, and here mostly you can find various types of lights.
50 लिए भाई 200 रुपया ये दिवाली है छुट कमल छुट में लीजिए
You can find variety of lights here. Oh, these lights are very beautiful. I'm definitely going to purchase one. This street is called Hospital Street, but the funny thing is you can't find any medical equipment here. But what you find is different type of fans. Fan means not the fan follower type of fans. The fan means this type of fans. This part of the market is specialized in electrical repairing. You can see workers are binding coils. Fan coils are getting replaced. Industrial motors, pumps are also getting repaired. In this part of the street, shop owners purchases home appliances like air conditioner, microwave oven, refrigerator. Then they repair the machines and paint it to look like a new one. The repaired appliances are also sold as refurbished item in this market. Guys, I'm extremely tired today, so that's it for now. And guys, if you really like this video, please click the like button. So see you in my another one, and till then, bye bye.